is for anemone. Anemone. B is for blue tank. The blue tank. C is for clownfish. Clownfish. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. E is for Leo. Leo. F is for flying fish. Flying fish. G is for goldfish. Goldfish. H is for hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. I is for iPod. iPod. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. J is for koi fish. Koi fish. L is for lionfish. Lionfish. M is for manta ray. Manta ray. N is for needlefish. Needlefish. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for queen parrotfish. Queen parrotfish. R is for ratfish. Ratfish. S is for shark. Shark. T is for turtle. Turtle. U is for unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. V is for viperfish. Viperfish. W is for whale. Whale. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yellow boxfish. Yellow boxfish. Z is for zebra moray. Zebra moray.